We are just 6 days away from the 4th of July now. Fireworks tents are up and the shoppers are out as sales began today in Omaha. 3 News Now reporter Ron Johnson got a look at the selection and talked with shoppers and staff about which products are already flying.
Everything seems to be going pretty smoothly for us right now, so we're excited for the season.
That excitement is for good reason for Bellino Fireworks. They say the supply chain issues of the past few years are no more.
Shipping has kind of loosened up here over the last 12 months, so everything that was kind of backlogged is hit our warehouse, so we are well stocked for this 4th of July.
The large selection is expected to translate into large sales. Manager Vince Bellino said at his tents, sales have been better and better each year. He hopes this year will be no different.
I think we'll probably be on pace for what we did last year, maybe a tick above.
As for what people are buying,
we definitely see the reloadables, the artillery shells, to be a hot ticket item.
Also, these frost warning fireworks that seem to reference a certain former Nebraska head coach are getting some attention.
Well, I'd never even heard of it before, but it's apparently because of Scott Frost.
But no matter what you're buying this holiday,
just celebrate safely and responsibly this 4th of July.
In Papillion, Ron Johnson, 3 News Now.
And Bellino's has about 45 tents across the Omaha area.